Hello everyone and welcome back to GeoCO Lab. I hope you're doing well. If you've been learning SEO online, you've probably heard advices like more backlinks mean better rankings or just publish more content and Google will reward you. But here's the problem. Not everything you hear about SEO is true. Many of these myths have existed for years and businesses still waste time and money following them. In today's video, we're going to separate facts from fiction by uncovering the biggest SEO myth you should stop believing. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of what actually works in modern SEO. So let's get started. SEO is constantly evolving. Every year Google becomes smarter, and yet many people continue following advice that worked 10 or even 15 years ago. Some of these outdated strategies don't just waste your time, they can actually hurt your website's performance. That's why understanding the truth behind these SEO myths is so important. In this video, we'll look at some of the most common misconceptions and explain what successful SEO actually looks like today. Let's first understand why SEO myths are dangerous. Imagine spending months building hundreds of backlinks, stuffing keywords into every paragraph, or publishing dozens of articles without a proper strategy. All that effort costs time and money. Meanwhile, your competitors who focus on quality content, user experience, and search intent continue growing. SEO success isn't about doing more work, it's about doing the right work. That's why separating myths from facts is essential for every business. One of the oldest SEO myths is that more backlinks you have, the higher you'll rank. Years ago, that was partially true. Businesses bought thousands of backlinks from directories and link farms, but Google's algorithm have changed significantly. Today, one backlink from a respected, trustworthy website is often more valuable than hundreds of spammy links. Instead of chasing quantity, focus on creating valuable content that naturally earns links from reputable websites. Quality always beats quantity in modern SEO. Another common myth is keyword stuffing. Years ago, people believed repeating the same keyword again and again would improve ranking. But today's Google understands context. Algorithms like BERT and MEM analyze the meaning behind your content rather than simply counting keywords. Instead of forcing keywords everywhere, write naturally. Use related terms, answer user questions, and focus on solving the reader's problem. Great content is written for humans first and search engines second. Many businesses owners think SEO is something you set up once and forget. Unfortunately, that's not how SEO works. Google updates its algorithms regularly. Competitors publish new content. User behavior changes over time. If your website stays the same for years, your ranking may slowly decline. Successful SEO requires regular technical audits, content updates, performance monitoring, and continuous improvements. Think of SEO like maintaining your car. You don't service it once and expect it to last forever. Many people believe that getting more likes, share, and followers automatically improve Google ranking. That's actually a misconception. Google has stated that social signals themselves are not direct ranking factors. Great social content reaches more people visit your website. Some of those visitors create backlinks or mention your brand. Those activities do influence SEO. So social media supports SEO indirectly, not directly. Another myth is that you must constantly publish brand new articles. In reality, Google values freshness, not simply newness. Sometimes updating an older article with fresh statistics, better explanations, improved visuals, and stronger internal links produce much better results than writing a completely new article. This strategy is known as content refreshing. It's one of the most effective ways to improve existing rankings without starting from scratch. Voice search is becoming increasingly popular. Many people believe it requires an entire separate SEO strategy. That's not true. The same fundamentals still apply. The biggest difference is how people ask questions. Voice searches tend to be longer, more conversational, and often phrased as complete questions. By creating FAQ pages, optimizing for featured snippets, and writing naturally, you're already improving your voice search performance. These aren't just opinions. Industry research supports these conclusions. Large-scale SEO studies have consistently shown that content quality, topical depth, and user experience have a much greater impact on ranking than outdated tactics like keyword stuffing. Research also shows that refreshing existing content can dramatically increase organic traffic. The lesson is simple: follow data, not myths. Let's quickly recap. Don't chase thousands of backlinks. Don't stuff keywords. Don't treat SEO as a one-time project. Don't rely on social media alone for ranking. And don't ignore the value of updating your existing content. Modern SEO is built on quality, relevance, user experience, and trust. If you focus on helping your audience instead of chasing shortcuts, Google is far more likely to reward your efforts over time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GeoCO Lab, and turn on notification for more practical insight on SEO, AI search, and digital marketing. We'll see you in the next video.